TayBaes, it's Taya. Welcome back to my channel. So we have another wig review for today's video. This lovely blonde highlight wig from UNice hair. If you are interested in hearing a little bit more about this wig, then keep on watching. Okay, so as I mentioned, I purchased this wig from UNice hair. This was my very first purchase from UNice hair. I did purchase this wig with my own money, so this is not a sponsored video. I did watch a few videos of their wigs before I purchased it, just to kind of see what they were working with before I purchased, and I will have to say that I was not disappointed. I think this is really pretty. Shipping was pretty quick as well. I ordered this wig on Christmas Eve and I received this wig yesterday, which was Tuesday, December 29th. So it took about 5 days to reach me, and you know, one of those days was a holiday, so I think it actually came pretty quickly. This is the actual wig that I purchased. I'll put the information for this wig in a direct link down in the description box for you. I have been dipping and dabbling in color wigs this past year, but all of those wigs that I've really been picking up have been synthetic. I was really looking for a human hair wig, some highlights. I wanted some blondes, some browns as well, because I already have plenty of natural or 1B-ish virgin hair wigs, so I wanted to switch it up a little bit this time around. Okay, so I spent $147 on this wig, and it was free shipping, so it was very reasonably priced as far as human hair lace wigs go. It is a closure wig and not a frontal wig, which is great because, to be honest with you, I have kind of fallen in love with the closure wigs versus the frontal wigs, because I just truly and honestly don't have time to be trying to lay a frontal. Closure wigs are generally less expensive and cut your time in half, so I'm here for that all day. I purchased a virgin hair lace closure wig for my wedding hairstyle, and I fell in love, and I was like, why the heck have I been fooling around with these frontals when we can just get a closure? Come on now, come on. So I personally did look around before I made this purchase. I like to do my research before I spend my coins on these wigs, especially these human hair wigs that cost a little bit more. One big complaint that I was seeing with this specific wig, they couldn't part it everywhere on the closure like they would have liked to. And because with the different kind of layers, and I guess it's supposed to be like the fake scalp as well, there was a very clear line of demarcation, and you're going to be able to see that in the clips as well. But I saw a video, one of the reviews that I watched, this young lady just went right ahead and cut it out, and it looked great. So I did what she did, and it worked just fine for me. The line of demarcation is just completely gone. So easy peasy, that's how you can fix that problem. And let me show you kind of what I'm talking about. They were trying to be kind of fancy with this whole the relayer closure concept. So it has a silk base is that final layer, then it has the medium brown fake scalp, but like for me, it was just way too light. I think for a lot of people, it would be too light, so it had to go. And then the Swiss lace, of course, and it is a T-part wig, right? So that's the thing. It's on a closure, but you cannot part it everywhere. It has tracks that are sewn onto a portion of the closure, so you really kind of have to have, not kind of, you have to have just this middle part. So that is important to know before you buy this wig. Me personally, I knew that I wanted this to be a middle part wig, so that wasn't an issue for me, but I could definitely see why that would irritate some people if they were not aware of that before they purchased the wig and had different expectations. So they do have the option of getting this wig in the 13x4 lace front. I personally did not want a frontal, because once I discovered that I could get generally the same look with the lace closure and it's much easier to work with, I was sold. This wig is 150% density. It is a very natural density. This might be a little bit too thin for some, but to me, this is just fine. I think it looks really good. I don't mind this density at all. So I purchased mine in 18 inches. I'm just gonna show you really quickly how long this wig is on me. I'm 5'3". Just gonna stand up really quick. And this is where the wig hits me. So it comes down to about the bottom of my bosom, just under my chest area. And again, this one was 18 inches. So a good amount of length there. Let me move it all to the back and turn around. This is what she's looking like in terms of length in the back. Okay, so this wig was super duper easy. It's one of the reasons why I like closure wigs now, but in general, this one was just really easy in terms of laying it down. I opted to do no baby hairs, but honestly, I am thinking about playing with it a little bit more and putting down some baby hairs. I haven't decided yet, but for now, very, very comfortable with this middle part look with no baby hairs. I did go in and spray my Eben New York tinted lace spray in the shade medium brown. I did go ahead and spray that onto the closure just to make it match even better. And I think it did a really, really good job of matching my skin tone. I went into the part as well, and I did a little bit of plucking. The part was just a little bit too close for me, so I went in and I did pull out a few hairs. I didn't do too much plucking, but I definitely went in there and pulled out some hairs in the part as well. And I also went in with my Sephora Micro Smooth powder in the part as well, and placed a little bit of that foundation in the part just to make it stand out a little bit more. I did not use any adhesive, any Got2b, any glue, hairspray, mousse, anything like that to hold down this wig. And look at this wig. When I tell you it's not going anywhere, it's good, okay? It is going nowhere because I sewed in an elastic band. That's it. That's all I do with my lace closure wigs, and it's so easy. It's easy. Very, very comfortable, very, very secure. Like, I mean, it can't really get no better than that. I like to keep it simple, okay? I did go in with my hot comb just a little bit to flatten it out a little bit more up here at the top, and as you can see, we are laying very flat. Okay, let's talk about the color a little bit. So as I mentioned, I was specifically looking for a wig with some color, like specifically looking for a highlight wig like this, and they definitely came through with the color. The color is very, very pretty, you guys. Do you see that? You've got that lighter blonde color kind of framing the face. That's something that I really liked in the synthetic Outre Aaliyah wig that I've been wearing a lot. I've repurchased it a couple of times because the color to me was just perfect. And that color wasn't exactly like this throughout, but it definitely had that lighter blonde framing the face, so I know I like that look. So I was really hoping that I could find a human hair wig that won't tangle as quickly and that would last me longer as well. That would kind of give me that effect, and looks like we got a winner. So besides that, I love that the hair is very, very flowy. It is very nice, good quality hair. The hair is soft, okay? It feels so nice, you guys. I did go in with my InStyler and like very sloppily, very quickly in big sections, just ran the InStyler through the hair as well, just to make it a little bit, you know, straighter, just to put some heat on it. Didn't put too much effort into straightening it out at all. It's already pretty good. I did also go in with my BioSilk Hydrating Therapy, just the smallest amount of it, and just a little bit of my Care Silk and Seal Liquid Shine as well. Rubbed that on my hands, took my hair in 2 sections and just kind of rubbed it through my hair and then brushed it out just to give it just a little bit of moisture and shine. But to be honest with you, it really looked really great without that as well. So that's all I did, you guys. So quick, so easy, and so pretty. Like, no, seriously, you guys, I really like this wig. I'm so happy with it. I'm curious to know what you guys think about this wig. If you've purchased from UNice before or purchased this wig from UNice as well. I definitely saw that they were getting some mixed reviews on this wig, but for me and my purposes and what I need it for, since I went into it already knowing what to expect, just fine for me, you guys. Like, for $150, under $150, she is doing exactly what I need her to do. Just gonna give you guys a really quick 360 of this wig. So pretty. I like it. I really like it, you guys. Like, I really do. I'm very pleased with this purchase. I do have so many, I'm kind of ashamed. I have so many other wigs on the way. Yeah, that was kind of my Christmas present to myself, y'all. I wanted to buy myself some things and it ended up being a crap load of wigs. So besides this wig, I have another bunch of wigs on the way, you guys. So if you want to see those reviews, please do make sure that you go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications so that you are aware when those videos go up. So I'm excited about that. So make sure you guys check out those videos as well. I really want to know what you guys think about this wig. So please do make sure that you let me know what you think down in the comment section below. If you are new here, please do make sure that you go ahead and hit that subscribe button before you take off, and hit that like button before you take off as well, especially if you are digging this wig like I am digging this wig, or if this was even helpful for you in any way. And I will catch you all in the next video. Bye.